How to write the heading, salutation and date of an official letter. The heading of an official letter. The date, the titles are including called the heading. According to the international law, firstly, the date is written on the left top of the paper. Below the date, the titles. The name and the short address of the organizations are written. The salutation of an official letter. Before the body of the letter, the writer expresses a greeting of the addressee. This is called salutation. It is written in the left side of the letter, keeping a space from the margin. For example, Sir, Dear Sir, Madam, Dear Madam, etc. The date of an official letter. Nowadays, for the official letter's date is located firstly at the top of the letter. For example, 6/10/15 or the 6th October 2015. Thank you so much.